What's going, Ben? What's going, Ben? What's going, Ben?
My God almighty, oh, come on.
You're shit.
Why are you doing this? You just adding the lettuce to the tomato and cucumber. You're not sauteing the lettuce?
Just not really done. First, you're my cooking, so damn steam, yes, that's a snap, that's it, so out, first.
Fuck off!
Yes, chef.
You're too dangerous to have on service. I asked for the fuck what you're doing. You said you're sauteing tomatoes. Ah, you funk! You dirt full of fucking pig! Get out! Get out! Unfucking believable.
What the fuck? Okay.
What is that?
Giovanni's best.
Hey, Ben.
Chef.
Is that like a chewed up bit of chicken from the dog here?
Donut. Yes, chef!
Me lies! Not as best as I am! Me lies! Me lies! Me lies! You fucking are! Me lies! Donkey!
Now.
This is not possible.
You're done. You're done.
That's what I get served. Look, come here, all of you. He brings that pissing over, and the big surprise is the fucking bass is fucking Look! Look! What the fuck is this? Hey, madam, how much capellini are you throwing away? Look at it! Look! What are you doing, Melinda? What are you doing? You're making me mad!
Yes, chef.
Fucking mad!
Yes, chef.
Louis! What? What is that? What is that? Did you bite that? Look! Look at this! Look! Look! You saute scallops in a non-stick pan, they won't stick. That's why it's called fucking non-stick! I don't know what non-stick means in Texas, sweetheart.
Fuck me!
And hurry up. In order there. You're cooking in a burnt pan.
You fucking pig!
You donkey! And you open those big eyes and watch what the fuck this guy's doing.
Yes, chef.
Shut it and watch.
Yes, chef.
Shut it! Okay? Listen to me.
No, I'm sorry.
Shut it! Okay? Listen to me.
No, I'm sorry.
Shut it! Sauce!